Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
623 departing. Buena Vista en route for Carthay.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. My name is Elizabeth, and I'll be your conductor on this line. Up ahead, we have our talented motorist, Robert, keeping us on track, taking us to our first stop on the line, and that is going to be Carthay Circle, our downtown district of Disney's California Adventure Park. We're currently traveling through Buena Vista Street, and Buena Vista is Spanish for good views, and we certainly have many of those in our cozy little corner here in DCA. Now, this is an idealized version of what Walt Disney would have seen when he came to Los Angeles in the 20s. We're passing by a few shops we like to refer to as mom and pop shops, such as Elias & Co., Big Top Toys, Julius Katz & Sons, Los Feliz 5 and Dime, and our very own Trolley Treats. Now, Julius Katz & Sons is home to seasonal merchandise and home decor. Now, Julius was the name of Alice's sidekick in the silent comedy Alice with the Adventure. Felix the Cat was already a well-known animated star, so he did have to comply with his sidekick Julius. Now that we just heard that whistle, that means we've entered our downtown district, Carthay Circle. That fountain over there on our left indicates that this is the center of the park. You can locate any lands and attractions nearby foot. Now, speaking of attractions, there's a popular one over here on our right, Fiddler, Piper, and Practical Cafe, also known as Starbucks. The first Starbucks to touch base in any Disney resort. It opened with a 2-hour wait. With that being said, we're arriving at our next stop on the line. Make sure you remain seated until the trolley comes to a full length before you stop. The result and the lights turn on. This is Carthay Circle.
Oh no. Like 8. 63 copies, thank you. Yeah, about that's, it's not. 10-4. We got it. Yeah, I heard. What? No, that doesn't make sense at all. How are you guys looking at this? No, I'm sorry, I'm looking at this. That's fine. 623 departing. Carthay en route for Hollywood.
Sticking on board with us now. We're currently traveling through. Just make sure everyone stays seated on their bottoms. Just make sure everyone is seated on their bottoms, please. Now we're traveling through our downtown district. This is Carthay Circle, home to Carthay Circle Restaurant and Lounge. The Carthay Circle Restaurant and Lounge will be on right now. It was probably inspired by the Carthay Circle Theater, a theater that held the premiere of a 19-minute animated film named Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It was held on a 70-foot drop screen, and it earned Walt Disney an Oscar and 7 Little Ones, presented to him by Shirley Temple herself. You can see that moment in the lobby of Carthay Circle there. Now, it was located in Los Angeles. Don't go looking for it. It was demolished in 1969, but luckily we do hold that beautiful replica. You didn't see it. Now, over on the left-hand side of the trolley is a silver popcorn stand, and that is not just any popcorn stand, ladies and gentlemen. That is the last remaining popcorn stand that bought fresh caramel corn and everything else throughout the resort. We bagged at the source. With that being said, we've now entered the glamorous world of Hollywood, and what is Hollywood without a little bit of traffic? There's a few stops and shops around here to take a break from the crowd, such as Disney Junior Live over here on our right-hand side. It looks like their next show is going to be at 12:30. It's a high-energy dance party for the little ones. You can see a few of their favorite friends, Vampirina, Doc McStuffins, and our very own Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Right across the way from Disney Junior Live would be award winners. Award winners who belong to the 1950s retro hot dog stands of Santa Monica, including these hot dogs. We have now arrived at our next stop on the line. This is Hollywood Boulevard. Make sure you remain seated until the trolley comes to a fully complete stop. Doors open and lights turn on. We'll be heading over to Sunset Boulevard next.
717 be advised, 63 is holding at Hollywood Station.
And around the corner is that drop place.
But we'll go in there too.
Yeah.
It's all
I've not seen it.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
63 copies.
I've lived on all the things in that area. I don't like the bumper car in the car. I can get on that one. I don't think that's it. I'm just saying, I'm trying to make it. Yeah. Because yesterday I was not there. I tried to tell you. I mean, I hear you. And I really didn't think it was bad. If I really thought it was bad, I would have never said it. I don't
63 copies, thank you. So our 5 to dime show at 11:45, no jalopies, so we don't need to hold. The rest are probably still going to be jalopies. How are doors looking? 10-4, close it.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Thanks for sticking on board with us, everyone. And just a reminder, we do guarantee everyone a one-way trip over to Sunset Boulevard. If there is a line formed at Sunset, we would ask everyone to disembark, rejoin the end of that line. If there is no line, you're welcome to stay on board with us. We're currently traveling through the tail end of Hollywoodland, and what is Hollywood without a little bit of traffic? As you can see straight ahead in the distance, a beautiful sunset and a street that goes on for miles and miles and miles. But the sun seems to be setting on the wrong side of the world. That is because that's a little bit of movie magic we like to refer to as forced perspective. We like to use it a lot throughout the resort, particularly with the Sleeping Beauty Castle. We have now arrived at our end-of-line station. This is Sunset Boulevard. The closest destination reaches to Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout and Web Slingers, a Spider-Man adventure. Remain seated until the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Doors open and the lights turn on.